So with the visualization, I will start with the SNPs and indels. So I will generate a pie chart to visualize the number of SNPs and indels. So let me first give a comment here. So I'll say pie chart of the number of SNPs and indels. Perfect. Now I am going to continue. So with the pie chart, you will need values. Okay, so let's first get our values. So I will say counts, and then I'll specify or indicate the number of SNPs and indels. I'll start with the SNPs. So I have that here. So the number of SNPs, we got 10177. Then for indels, we got 2052. So I have that done. We will also need labels. So I'll say labels, and then I'll specify SNPs, indels. These will be our labels. We will also need colors. So I'll just say colors. And for colors, I'll use red and then blue. Perfect. Now I am going to generate the pie chart. So I'll call the pie function. So I'll say pie, and then I specify my counts. That's the values. Labels equals labels, and then main. So main is the title of the plots. So main is going to be equals to variant counts, and I'll say SNPs and indels. And then I'll specify my colors. So I'll say COL equals colors. So this is the code. Now let's execute the script. Perfect. So we have the pie charts being drawn for us.